Most people think checking an eBay gift card balance is complicated, but here's the truth no one tells you. It only takes a few seconds when you know exactly where to look. The real problem is that most users check the wrong section or miss a small step that shows zero balance even when money is still there. In this video you'll learn exactly how to check your eBay gift card balance in 2026, how to fix common issues when balance does not show, and how to make sure your funds are ready before you shop. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how it works. A gift card on eBay is not always displayed like a bank balance on the homepage. Instead, it is stored inside your account wallet or payment section, and only appears during checkout or in your account settings. Now here's the first and most important method. Log into your eBay account and go to the payment or wallet section. Inside that area, you should see your gift card balance if it has already been redeemed. If Alex added a $50 card earlier, this is where it will show up immediately. But here's the problem. Many people don't see anything and assume the card is empty. In reality, the card might not be redeemed yet. So here's the second step. ID. Go to the gift card redemption page and enter your code. Once added successfully, your balance will appear inside your account. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the balance is already added, but it still does not show. This is usually a display or sync issue. Your account might need a refresh or re-login. So log out, wait a few seconds, and log back in. In many cases, the balance suddenly appears. But here's another mistake people make. They check balance in the wrong place. Some users look in their order history or checkout page without actually applying the card. That section will not always show full details unless you are actively paying for something. Now, let's talk about something most people ignore. Browser or app glitches. If you are using a browser with old cache data, your balance might not update correctly. Jake faced this issue where his balance showed zero, but switching to the app fixed it instantly. So, if something looks wrong, try switching devices or clearing cache. It sounds simple, but it works surprisingly often. Now here's where it gets interesting again. If your gift card was recently redeemed, there can be a short delay before the balance fully syncs across all systems. This usually takes a few minutes, but in rare cases it can take longer during high traffic periods. So always wait a bit before assuming something is wrong. Here's the final step you should always double check. Make sure you are logged into the correct account. If you used a different email while redeeming, your balance will not appear where you expect it. So let's quickly summarize. You check your balance in wallet settings, ensure the card is redeemed, refresh your account, and verify the correct login. These simple steps solve almost every issue. And once you understand the system, checking your eBay balance becomes instant and stress-free. If this video helped you, like it, drop a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple guides that make online shopping easier and faster every day.